In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Word docs to Google Docs. By the end, you'll know the simplest ways to bring a .doc or .docx file into Google Docs. Keep your formatting as clean as possible and set things up so future uploads convert automatically. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and signing in to your account. Drag your Word file from your computer straight into Drive, or click New, then File Upload and select your document. Once it appears in Drive, right-click the file, choose Open With, and select Google Docs. Drive will create a new Google Docs version while keeping your original Word file, so you'll have both copies. Look for the Google Docs icon next to the new file name to confirm it's been converted. If you like staying organized, you can rename the converted file at the top left and move it into a folder. If you no longer need the original docx, you can safely remove it. Knowing your Google Docs copy is saved automatically. If you plan to convert Word files regularly, turn on automatic conversion. In Google Drive, click the gear icon, open Settings, and check the option that says Convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. From now on, any Word file you upload will become a Google Doc right away, saving you a few clicks. There's also a quick path from inside Google Docs. Go to docx.google.com and open a blank document or the file picker icon. Switch to the Upload tab, then drag in your Word file or browse to select it. Docs will upload and convert the file on the spot, opening it ready to edit. After conversion, take a moment to scan your document. Most simple layouts convert perfectly, but complex elements like custom fonts, intricate tables, headers and footers, or tracked changes may need a quick touch-up. Use View and select Show Print Layout to preview page breaks. If a font looks off, pick a close match from the font menu. For tables, adjust column widths to tidy the layout. Images generally convert well. If placement shifts, click the image and use image options to tweak size or text wrapping. Remember that Google Docs saves every edit automatically, and you can review or roll back changes anytime with File, then Version History. That's it. Upload, open with Google Docs, or enable auto-conversion for a set-and-forget workflow. With these steps and a quick post-conversion check, your Word documents will be ready to edit, share, and collaborate in Google Docs in no time.